What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up?
Hey guys.
They're back in the sunshine, so the place bright behind me. Yeah man, we're there working in the yard there, you know. Immediately, we had plans to do some improvements with the front space as we had told y'all, you know.
Yeah, so remember when we did our tour of the area, we were, telling you other stuff that we did. We're also telling you that we have a lot of stuff coming up this year. One of the areas that we want to tackle is modernizing and renovating our first Airbnb, our first love. And we are tackling today a very quick small project, and that's going to be the entertainment area. It's going to give the area a big lift. Definitely want to add some dynamics to the area. Carrie's here. Let me lift him up.
You want to get involved?
Hi everybody.
Come in it.
What did you say? Hi everybody.
Hi buddy.
Yeah.
Hey buddy.
Say hi, I'm a big boy now.
Hey baby.
Yeah, so we're gonna be doing some modernization of the space. We have a floating shelf that we bought 2 of the floating shelves. One we put in the newer Airbnb, and we have another one that we put in here at the front. We'll be also doing something to the wall, like a nice accent wall as well, entertainment wall. So the electricians are here today. We kind of, I just want to modernize it, so we're gonna put some plugs up high, similar like how we did around the back, so. Yeah man, don't do man. Yeah, so electrician asked if him can do him drilling. Yeah man, so he might do him thing, Alright, so basically the guys are doing the electrical work. The messy part like this with the drilling and everything, so we literally had to try to cover as much of the furniture as we could, but nonetheless can't avoid it. Messy job. So they're basically putting their straight line to make sure say the trunking and everything is straight. Very professional guys these, Yeah man, so really appreciate them taking the time out to come out to help us with this small project.
As we always say, it's better when you have a plug up there.
Yes, it is more convenient and take away the bulkiness from the wires and the cable wires.
Exactly.
One more aesthetic look.
Yeah, make it look clean.
Nice, clean.
Exactly.
That's that.
So we're trying to hide away all the gadgets behind the TV up here, so make it look nice and clean.
No, it's not horrible.
Alright, so everything is dug out now. Pipes are put in just for them finish up that, patch back the wall. So you see the dirt where they there. This is the whole entertainment stand. We're gonna do away with this. Alright, so yeah, then the plaster guys gonna come in, top sell them and come right in behind and do what there needs to be done. These are the panels we're gonna put at the side of the accent wall. The 2 sides, both sides.
This is the original.
We never so love it.
Yeah.
This is another color.
This color is fine, but it just wasn't the color that we are going for at the immediate moment.
Yeah.
So we wanted to change it out and go with this, something that will pop with the black.
Right.
We were originally thinking of different colors, but then at the end of the day, it's coffee choice. So we can't wait to see how it will look.
Yeah,
when everything comes together.
Me too.
I hope that it looks the way I have it in my mind. I hope that it doesn't disappoint. It won't, babe. Yeah. It won't disappoint. Yeah, because I love it. It actually comes out so nice.
Yes. The sun reflects so much on all them one over there, so you can't.
Yeah, can't really see. If you go like this, you can probably get a better picture of it.
Yeah, see it?
So it's a nice gold color.
So yeah, we'll buy the spray paint. We're DIY people,
Yep.
We'll buy the spray paint and we come up with a design and we just try to work it as best as we can,
So I was talking to my sister, Shanika, on the phone the other day, and I was basically telling her that sometimes when you want things, you have to do it yourself. Sometimes you have to just go through, because at the moment, y'all see what we just did last year. We ain't got no money to go be paying no designer to come in to redo our place, you know what I mean? We have to do it ourselves, and we can. And besides, I love when Adrian does stuff for me. I love to see him doing stuff like this. I don't know, it just...
So what happened was the height of the wall,
yeah,
one length of this can't fit it. So I have to buy extra.
Yeah.
So I went to the woodwork shop, I measure the height of the wall, went to the woodwork shop and I got these cut. So these will go on top of those to complete the height of the wall.
Yeah, the height of the wall.
So I'm not gonna see it. I'm gonna have the glue and everything. So pretty soon I'll put it on. We just have to wait for the guys finish with the wall and then we'll just drop on them here. You know? Yes, so
you guys, don't be afraid to do it yourself. Don't be afraid to, because sometimes that's how we get the uniqueness of what we're trying to pull off when we do it for ourselves.
Right. Yeah.
Persons will say, well, I have a big group and I would like to use both of your units.
Yes.
And then you have persons saying, okay, but I really love that one.
Yeah.
More like they love the new one. Like there's no doubt. The new one just nice.
Yeah.
Right? And then this one is nice too, but the new one just
it's a few years old. It's a few years behind, so we are build it up, you know.
We have to make it come on. We have
because guess
plans for it.
Yeah, guess what? The new Airbnb is the top rated Airbnb in Portmore. You can go up on Airbnb and look for yourself.
It's in Jamaica.
Yeah, but you're gonna be all over the world.
Just having one or two rest right here while we down here hanging out here.
Yes,
Airbnb, best one I've been to.
Yes. The best Airbnb you've been to?
Best Airbnb, very nice, man. Yes.
Wow, that's not scripted, that caught me off guard.
No, very nice, man. Very nicely done, very, taste, everything, yeah. Beautiful.
Thank you so much.
With everybody in mind, we wanted you guys to really enjoy the space.
Yes,
so.
definitely.
And like I say, my wife follow you guys on TV, everything.
Yes.
You see me, I say, yeah, that one here, it's on the first page, but it's a little way down. So we are do some additions, some improvements. So we have number 1 and 2. That's our aim, for have number 1 and 2 rated Airbnb in a Portmore. You see me, I say, and if we plan for add on, like get other additional spaces, so we just have all top rated Airbnb in our area. That's our thing.
Because again, our aim with all of our units is to provide maximum comfort for persons who are visiting. You see when me go to an Airbnb at that more. You see the comfort
or a hotel.
Ladies set to sleep good.
Yeah.
At that me want. Okay, so when they go somewhere you can't sleep good at the worst thing.
Trust me.
You're tired, you're groggy, you're miserable, more of a comfortable, nice, be able to relax, unwind. You're supposed to be comfortable.
Yeah, I mean, what we want for ourselves, we want it for our guests as well. We know give them the worst and have the best. So it's a, 50-50 kind of thing, you know what I mean? So we want to ensure that our guests are comfortable, so we put out the maximum effort. You get me? I say, so yeah, stay tuned guys, as we modernize the place here. Yeah man, and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, just stay tuned, we're gonna show you more as the video progress. Alright? Yeah man.
Right.
So top style are here now. Alright, so immediately they start put on the first coat. Alright.
So I have to get a way big thumbs up to the Delprat families, the boss there. They get me there and thing, you don't know, come doing Airbnb and advertise. People
love the work, man.
I tell you, since then we have been getting a couple cars and thing. You get me. Auntie Dana done a well to us too, because of the first platform they go up and so we give shout out and thanks to them thing there. You know, as a man to earth, you have to give your gratitude to where gratitude is. So right here and this song. Top style, man. We the best man. For any showy land, any plastering, any knockdown, any 4 minute, any painting, any finishing where you have, you call top style and you get the style where them are beat up at Cherry Girl, the Jacks Hill, Beverly Hills, all them hills where them rich and them go on and like them more expensive, and we set them thing. So get the top style and we set your thing. Right, this one.
So we're here now, fitting up the entertainment stand. Try to do it in record time so that the guys can have it to install on the wall when they're finished. So Kyrie jumping at the mix. You know, him always a fit in at the ready, you know? Yes, man.
Alrighty, so nice drinking water on the foot.
Water.
Let
me get some refreshment for you.
Okay.
We have ice on there.
Not the ice, but me buy it out the road and carry come, no problem. I don't far. Me I go and get it for you. Yeah, so Cass come for oversee our project. So the first coat of plaster already gone on. Alright, so yeah. So basically I say you have to put an extra coat again after this is dry and apply another coat so that the channels where the conduits will run, you know, have that rough look. So it have that nice smooth finish at the end where they might try to achieve.
Should be great to finish.
Yeah, it will be. Yeah. I mean, you know, with our vision, you know, me and Kias, we kind of come together. So we're going to show you all the panel, finish paint them on the side and thing. Yeah. But I mean, them are the expert. We kind of have the little idea.
You don't know.
And we consult
ideas into reality.
Yeah.
Which is that way, and then you get to perfect. I mean, everybody tend to have a different idea, you know, because you don't want, when you're doing your thing, it actually is like a photogenic, or you copy them on the
copy.
Yeah.
So you think, I mean, widely, and then you come with things with your mind and your mind, and then you talk to a country, and then we put it together, and then you get something different from what other people have. Unique and just different.
Yeah, man. See it here, guys. Looking really nice, don't it? Loving the texture and all, and that color paint that we're adding. Yeah, so you notice the texture. That is what we call a knot down. So I didn't actually capture them doing it here, but I have previous footage when the guys were doing the sealing in the new unit. So we basically they spray it on, and then after them kind of scrape it down so you have the texture. That's an example of how they achieve it. Can't wait to see the finished product. Oh yes. And see my entertainment console here. Right there. So as soon as I finish, the wall dry, then we just drill the wall and put it up, you know? That's small. Yeah, wait a second.
Alright, go to another place and start giving it to me. Then I'll like and I will out. Yeah.
So what do you think? It come out good? You like it?
I like it.
You like it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I like it too.
emphasizes the height of the ceiling, because normally when we enter, our vision or our thought is not to look up, but it's actually just to look forward.
True.
When this is here right now, it
forces you to look up.
Look at the length of the wall, right? At the height of the wall, and that makes the room look so much more bigger.
Yeah, nice one. And then the different textures that's going on here. You have this, the knock down, right? And then you have these panels as well, you know? These gold panels. Yeah, so you see all of the hard work over there do and thing. Yeah, so we went to a rapid to go and buy the paint.
Yeah.
So we know we wanted a really dark color, something close to black, but not black.
Yeah, so we actually went there. We wanted a contrasting color. So we're gonna go with the gold. We're gonna go with black. Another color, then we say, no, what gold is it?
Yeah.
Gold is it? And we wanted a black, but we don't want it to be too shiny.
Yeah. Overall, with stuff like this, these simple things you do to your place, you make it lift it up. You make it more elegant, lift up the value too.
Yeah.
You get me? I say, the place is no more expensive.
Yeah.
You know, if you're doing an Airbnb like we are, stuff like this can attract more visitors, and it make the price that you charge, you can increase the price. You know, but that's not our intention. We just want continually improving upon the space. You get me? I say, and again, remember our Airbnb links there in the description, so if you want to book this space, alright, or the newly constructed unit, both listings are in the description. You know what I mean? So yeah, our thing is to making our travelers be very comfortable. You know, there are a lot of persons in business, they don't invest in their business, and that's why the business fail.
And
right?
And another thing is you have to know, you have to consider competition. So in our business, we have first of all, we have two units. One is brand new, newly done, modern, and the other one is a really good listing. Like that listing there was our first baby. It was good, but at the same time, the modernness of our new unit kind of makes this one look, you know,
a little bit aged.
Shows it up a little bit. Yeah, as Adrian said, aged. So I wanted to spruce it up, see how we can do little minor touch-ups here and there. And this is not the only one, but tell you already now. We have so much that we're gonna do this year, so stay tuned. All right, you're gonna see all the little stuff them that we're gonna do, and how at the end of 2023 our 2 Airbnb listings are gonna be improved.
Definitely. Yeah, no, they are. You know, we've been seeing a lot of articles on the internet, even in the US and so on. It's been more difficult for hosts in the Airbnb space. A lot of hosts, they've been leaving the space as well, because as competition grow, it makes things more tougher for them. You find a lot of persons, their listings are, you know, calendars are empty and so on. So these are some of the issues why that is so. And our calendar always look healthy. You know, we want to keep it that way. So we want to make our travelers happy, comfortable.
Want to continue to have repeated visitors, because we have you don't tell you what. Sorry, I'm hungry. Okay, I'm hungry.
The salad look nice though. See mine here? I'm digging it. Yeah, you see that? I'm digging it. A nice garden salad. Digging it shortly. Yeah. So yeah.
So we have a history of having repeated visitors. We want to keep that up. And it's good when you come to a space, you come back and you're like, oh, this is like a pleasant surprise.
True.
You have to keep your place within the top listings. And a lot of listings are coming on competition, as Adrian said, is ramping up.
Yeah.
We have to be a part of that competition.
Yeah, definitely.
So even this upgrade that we're doing right here, we're still not done yet, because we have some other stuff that we want to do to this area as well. So yeah, we're hoping that, and another thing that this did for us is by putting the entertainment center on the wall, we actually freed up a lot of space. So we have a lot more walking space in the area as well, and that makes the space seem a lot bigger. Plus
the place clutter free too, and wire upon the wall, you know, because when we realize with a lot of places, even some more modern apartments, so they run the electricity in the wall, which is good. But then you have the HDMI wiring surface. They have it in a trunking, which don't make no sense to me. So I literally, when you see earlier in the video, we literally dug two channels. One for the HDMI wire and one for the electrical. So see the cable down there, so run in at the wall and go to the TV, so you don't have to see anything. So if you carry a PlayStation, you can plug off and plug on and you're good. You know? But yeah, we need to wrap up now. It was fun bringing this to ya.
Yeah.
Alright?
It was fun. And remember to let your creativity, you know, flourish, let it grow. Can you be surprised when you let it grow, what you come up with?
Yeah, man.
Alright? So that's it for us at the Delport family. Thank you for stopping by. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn your post notification bell. You know this already, you can see it to me. Setting on all. Right? You want a thumbs up for this video and every other video. Share our content. If you like us, share our content. Alright?
So,
bye guys.
Yo guys. Peace. Yep.